introduce myself. My name is Revalina Aprilia. In this video, I want to tell about asset concept. Okay, let's watch the video. One is definition of asset. According to the Financial Accounting Standard Board, an asset is a resource that is expected to provide economic benefit in the future. Meanwhile, according to the Australian Accounting Standard Board, asset is a potential future economic benefit controlled by an entity as a result of past transaction or event. Nah, there are two characteristics in asset. First, main characteristic of asset. There are several main characteristics of asset, including 1. Economic value, 2. Controlled or controlled by the entity, 3. Arising from past transaction. Second, supporting characteristic of asset. In addition to the main characteristic of asset, there are also supporting characteristic of asset, namely 1. Involves cost, 2. Tangible, 3. Exchangeable, 4. Separable, and 5. Legally enforceable. Second material is measurement. Measurement is not a criterion for defining an asset, but a criterion in the measurement process. Costs serve as basic data to follow the physical flow of economic activity and undergo their stage of accounting treatment. 1. Measurement, recognition and classification, 2. Recording, 3. Expensing. Cost in the measurement, while asset and expense are the measured element. First, cost as measurement and basic of accounting. Cost is defined as the total price paid to acquire an asset. The accuracy of cost measurement is important in accounting. There are two types of cost measurement, namely 1. Activity limit. The establishment of costs for an asset includes all expenditure incurred as result of acquisition activity. 2. Award type. The agreed award must be stated in unit of money to be recorded in accounting system. Next, number 2, loss of acquisition of asset. Before the revenue generated from the cost is incurred, the cost undergoes accumulation, compounding, and reclassification. Material is valuation. Valuation step to determine the rupiah value, the represent certain asset or element that will be present in the financial statement is a certain period. There are 6 valuations according to FSAB, namely 1. Historical cost, 2. Current replacement cost, 3. Current market value, 4. Net realizable cost, 5. Present or discounted value of future cash flow, 6. Fair value. In addition, the purpose of valuation is to reflect the characteristic and value of each asset, item using appropriate valuation method so that the information present can support the achievement of financial statement objective. For material is recognition. Recognition of asset is carried out together with transaction, event, and or circumstance. Recognition rules according to Sterling Bagshaw is 1. Dictation of asset, 2. Economic source and liabilities, 3. Related to the entity, 4. Contains value, 5. Relating to report time, and 6. Verification. Recognition rules are technical instruction or procedure for applying the FASB to recognition criteria, which include definition, measurability, linkage, and reliability. 5. Material is disclosure. Disclosure is a process by which an entity or individual disclose information about asset held in financial statement or other official document. Disclosure important to provide transparency to stakeholders such as investor, creditor, and regulator about the financial condition of an entity. 6. Material is presentation. Presentation of asset is the process of displaying the company asset in the financial statement, especially the balance sheet, in accordance with applicable accounting standard. Next material is asset classification. Asset can be classified into several categories based on various factors such as liquidity, physical property, and their function in operation. The following are general classification of asset is 1. Current asset. Assets that are expected to be converted to cash or used within 1 year or the business operating cycle, whichever is longer. Example, cash, account receivable, inventory, and short-term securities. 2. Non-current asset. Assets that have a useful life or more than 1 year and usually cannot be directly converted into cash in a short period of time. Example is land, building, equipment, long-term investment, and patents. 3. Fixed asset. Tangible assets that are held for business operation and have an economic life more than 1 year. Example, property, machinery, vehicle, and office equipment. Fixed assets are usually depreciated to allocate the cost of use over time. 4. Intangible asset. Assets that do not have a physical form but have significant economic value to the entity. Example, trademark, patent, copyright, and goodwill. Okay, that was explanation about asset concept. Hopefully useful, and see you.